What's up guys, and welcome back once again to the reviews. Today I'm checking out a brand new product from Inwin. Thanks to them again for sending me another product out. Well, another few products, I've got others coming soon as well. They've sent me out a new kit of their brand new fans. These are the AN120 Neptune fans, and they are the silent static pressure fan, and these are also ARGB. Like I say, these are their brand new fans, made for static pressure for radiators and things like that. So basically we're just going to unbox these today and show you what they look like, and then on the next video I do for these I'll actually be testing these, and we'll see how good they are. Right, so these are the Neptune AN120 ARGB silent static pressure fans from Inwin. Like I say, these are a brand new model. Thanks again for them sending these out to me. So we're just going to have a quick look at the what they look like out of the box, and we'll quickly talk about the stats of these. So they're up to 2200 RPM, which is pretty high to be fair. Obviously they are static pressure fans, so they should be quite high. Performed in silence, that will be tested during the review video. Wicker bill blade design, type of blade design, which we'll have a look at in just a second. Modular extension cable, and we've also got a lock and go ARGB cables. Again, we'll look at what they are. So it's a standard 120 by 25mm fan, and like I say, it's from 900 to 2200 RPM with an airflow of 60.1, which is pretty big, and an air pressure of 2.27, again, which is pretty decent as well. And the noise level is rated at 20.5 dBA. In the box, obviously we get the fans, we get screws, we get extension cables for PWM, and we get extension cables for ARGB. So let's have a quick look inside. Now it comes in one of the fanciest boxes I've ever seen for some fans. I really like this. So let's have a quick look. Let's pop that off. So first of all, get a few bags of screws, which is pretty standard, and then we get two extension ARGB cables and two extension PWM cables. And we'll just pop one of these out. It's a 3-pack, and they do sell them singly as well. In terms of price, they're about 35 euros for a pack of 3, so they're very, very reasonably priced. And they also do a 140 of these as well. So bear that in mind. The price is absolutely fantastic on these, really. So this is the blade design. In terms of build quality, they feel really solid. They're not the heaviest fans out there. I think by far the heaviest fans I've had so far are the Be Quiet light wings, which are weigh an absolute ton, but these feel really decent. They're not like light and cheap and plasticky. They feel solid for sure. Literally no hub wobble, other than obviously me pressing on it and making it move, but in terms of like loose, it's not loose at all. And as you can see, it's a static pressure fan, so you've got lots of blades like this. And it says duck bill. What does it say? Wicker bill. I don't really know what that means. They look like normal fans to me. But they are joined at the edge with a loop. That's basically to push the air through. Excuse, my computer's just decided to kick and start ramping the fans up. Excuse that. So obviously it's a loop around there to try and just force the air through rather than it splashing out anywhere, so there's no gap for it to go out. We've got anti-vibration mounts in each corners on both sides. Standard cage on the side, which is normal, and sort of a scoop here to scoop the air out. And then these are hub lit for the ARGB, so it will shine out through the translucent blades and light them up there. And there's 8 ARGB LEDs in here as well, so there should be plenty to light it up nicely. And then it comes with, although they're not technically modular fans in terms of like clipping together or anything like that, it comes with really short cables, which is a great thing to see. And this basically enables you to link them right next to each other, tidy these away, and basically keep all your cables nice and tidy. So say you've got those on a radiator at the back of your case, so that's at the back, you can literally tuck it away up top and you won't be able to see them, and then you can use one of these extension cables to bring the connection out to the rest of your system. Now before I wrap this video up, I just wanted to show you these lock and go cables that they're talking about on the packaging. So as you can see on here, you've got a little clip there on the other end. Hopefully you can see that. You've got like a little bit that sticks out, and basically that locks onto there. I've just run a cable out my system just so I can show you the ARGB whilst I'm doing this. And as you can see, once you've got these locked together, this is what your ARGB looks like. So I'll bring it a bit closer for you to have a look. Like I say, hub lit. They're not spinning at the moment, so you don't get the full effect really. But as you can see, it's hub lit. Once it's obviously in a darker environment, it's quite light in here at the moment, you'll see it shine out a bit more. But the effects look really nice, really well diffused. You can't really see the unless you look really carefully and look for it, you can't really see the LEDs inside from any angle. So yeah, they look absolutely fantastic. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to give you a quick show of these fans. I've got some more coming soon, and like I say, I'll be doing a review of these, so stick around for that. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.